Conveniently barbecue, smoke, or cook your meat like a professional with your smartphone using the ThermoPro TP25 4Pro Bluetooth thermometer. Accurately track temperatures of up to 4 pieces of meat with the 4 color-coded probes, or set up 1 probe to track ambient temperature with a barbecue clip. Monitor your meat as it cooks to perfection with an advanced 500-foot Bluetooth range. If you move out of range from your cooking appliance, you'll receive an out-of-range alert on your smartphone, so you will always stay connected to your cook. Choose between 9 USDA preset meat settings that help you cook like a pro, or create your own preset. Track the ambient temperature of your grill and receive an alert if your temperature goes outside of the set range. Time management is key while you're cooking. With the Advanced Cook Time Estimator, you'll always know exactly how many minutes are left until your meat hits your set temperature, so you can plan your meal preparation accordingly. Secondly, the temp pre-alarm will alert you when the meat is 5 degrees away from being ready, so you can take your meat off the heat at the perfect time. We like to make things simple. The TP25 has convenient probe winders, so there's no more tangle of wires in your drawer while storing the probes. And the thermometer is now rechargeable, saving you money on batteries.